Hello and welcome to the Eastern Idaho Planning Briefing for Friday, March 6th. First, a summary of what you're about to see here over the next couple of minutes. We have a series of weak storms lining up starting Saturday morning. The temperatures will turn colder by Saturday night, and more light snowfall is expected from Sunday through Monday evening, with a bit of a break in there, or at least a let up. And then improving conditions by midweek, but still some snow threat. Start with, this is a satellite image from this morning. You can see as it goes into motion here, there's a low out here in the Gulf of Alaska. And this is the cold front that will be blowing through here on Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening. This will be all this moisture being brought in. Very mild air on this side of the low, bringing in rain and snow. And so here's the overview. Nothing really going on today. Temperatures will continue to warm. Our warmest temperatures will be on Saturday as the southerly wind continues until it gets cut off by the cold front that will blow through again in the late afternoon, evening hours. So it will be rain for a lot of the Snake River Plain, Magic Valley, and rain and snow for the highlands and in the central Idaho mountains. You can see strong rise in the snow level upwards of 6,500 to 7,000 feet. So a lot of it will melt. And then Saturday evening, that will, though, come crashing down as temperatures drop behind the cold front. So Sunday, there's just a slight chance of rain and snow in the lower elevations and some light upper level snow possible in the central Idaho mountains. But for the most part on Sunday, the snow will be limited to anything that borders Wyoming or Utah. You can see the orange here for Saturday. That is because we have issued winter weather advisory for those areas. And that starts Saturday morning, continues through into Saturday evening. And we are expecting, especially in the higher elevations, as much as 9 inches of snow. But a good lot of it, at least higher than 6 inches, especially on areas where the road surfaces are, and we'll take a look in detail at that in a little bit here. And then Monday, another impulse is coming through, and that will bring rain and snow once again to the area. Mostly the heaviest portion will be Monday afternoon into Monday evening, with just light snow expected once again for the central Idaho mountains. And then Tuesday, the most likely chances for snow are in the highlands bordering Wyoming. There is, though, a chance for the snow to continue in the Snake River Plain, in the south central highlands, and then there is a slight chance in the central Idaho mountains that it will continue into Tuesday. So not much going on, like I said, for today, but on Saturday, you can see here temperatures reach their peak. For some locations, it will cool off a little bit in the Magic Valley with the continued cloud cover. They'll be back down to the upper 50s, but lots of places getting above freezing. It's been a long time for Idaho Falls, and a lot of places in the south. So this is why we're looking at pretty much rain in most of those locations, or snow changing over to rain. Even places like Sun Valley, a lot of it will melt. And then the overnight, though, it will turn colder. This will turn over to snow, although the bulk of the moisture will have started to move out. We'll still be getting some during the overnight hours on Saturday night. Here's the high temperatures for Sunday. You can see they are starting to cool off a little bit. And then overnight lows for Sunday morning. Once again, lots of cloud cover, so you can see there's not too much temperature difference, except where the cold front has definitely moved into. We're back into the teens in the upper Snake River Plain. And on Monday, you can see with that next storm, there will be places where it will be rain, but it's cooler, and so in the mountains, a little bit better chances for some snow. Also in the highlands here along the Wyoming border. And then low temperatures for Monday morning. See cold pretty much everywhere except for places south and west of Pocatello. We'll say during this time frame we are not expecting any winds really to get anything stronger than 15 to 20 miles an hour, which really isn't enough to move, especially wet snow, which is what we're expecting this to be. So overnight tonight, this will be the late night hours tonight. It will just get started in places west of Stanley. And then for the Saturday morning, you can see it will start to spread through the Central Idaho Mountains. But again, we're looking at anywhere from a skiff of snow to about 2 inches down at the roadbed level. It will intensify during the afternoon, but it will also rise a little bit, and still, even places like Sun Valley and Haley will be at 0. It'll be a rain event for Sun Valley, Haley, and all of the Snake River Plain, and pretty much all of the southern and eastern highlands. And then tomorrow evening, it starts to cool as the cold front sweeps through. But you can see most of the moisture has moved on into Wyoming, but there is enough moisture left to create some snowfall, most of it below an inch, as you can see here. And then late night Saturday, it does continue for the most part over these eastern highlands. And there we're starting to finally get some significant 1 to 3 inch accumulations. And then Sunday morning, light snow will continue. And then Sunday night, it does return. And so here you can see, once again, the snow picking up, turning colder. But again, it's all light snow, a few places getting to 1 to 2 inches. And then Monday, another storm comes in, and you can see by afternoon, this will be for the 12 hours of Monday morning, Monday afternoon. You can see it does start to increase, especially in these southern and eastern highlands. Not so much going on up here in the Central Idaho Mountains. So for tomorrow, midnight to midnight on Saturday, this is going to fall out 6 to 8 inches, but most of this is above the roadbed level, and so at the roadbed level, 3 to 6 potentially on Highway 75 here. And again, the lower elevations you get, the more it mixes with rain and becomes a sloppy mess. And some places being all rain, like Pocatello, American Falls, Burley. And Sunday, again, the focus will be more on our eastern half of our area, as that's where the best moisture is going to be. But temperatures will be cold, and we'll see light snow over especially the higher elevations. And then this is a snowfall amount for Monday. You can see how it picks up here over the southern eastern highlands once again. A little bit more significant because the temperatures are colder. Snow level is definitely down to the Snake River Plain elevation. That's all I have. Once again, look for this series of weak storms. So we've had a break here, but we're returning into it. It will be getting colder and more widespread snow, especially for Monday evening. And then conditions should improve by midweek. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.